Do you want to have more controls while listening your audio files? With Kibo's Read Your Audiobooks feature, you can add bookmarks, change playback speed, change navigation speed for rewind and forward, and even save notes while listening. Just open Kibo app and click on Read Your Audiobooks to see the list of formats like MP3, Opus, OGG. Click on any format and select the file you want to listen from the list of files. Or you can also open or share your audio files directly from other apps with Kibo.
Mic, view, capture, instant, get image, read your audiobooks. Select type of audio. Text MP3, Opus, OG3, Opus, text MP3. Kibo, or search, O1 lesson recording.mp3. Opening O1 lesson recording.mp3.
Kibo opens and plays the file for you. You can select the navigation speed like 30 seconds, 1 minute, etc. and use the previous and next buttons to rewind and forward accordingly. You can even change the playback speed like 0.25x, 0.5x, 1x, 2x, etc. You can also add bookmarks and even save audio notes while listening.
Play button.
नमस्कार, ये है डीडी भारती नेटवर्क और आप देख रहे हैं इंडियन न्यूज
Stop
टीवी।
taking note.
आइए देखते हैं आज 10 दिसंबर 2020 का इतिहास। 1582 फ्रांस ने ग्रेगोरियन कैलेंडर का इस्तेमाल करना शुरू
Stop
किया।
taking note.
1817 मिसिसिपी को अमेरिका के 20वें
Back, audio, bookmark, change speed, change navigations, more option, pop-up window, share, view book, view notes, Kibo, back button, note, delete, play note, pause
न्यूज
note.
टीवी। आइए देखते हैं आज 10 दिसंबर 2020 का इतिहास। 1582 फ्रांस।
Play note.
To stay updated about Kibo's latest developments, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do share this video with your friends to spread inclusion and accessibility. Trestle Labs, Unlocking Aspiration.